Hi, my name is John. Today, we are introducing Email Extractor, a fast and reliable desktop application for macOS and Windows that helps you recover and extract email addresses from many different kinds of text sources. Whether your addresses are stored in mailbox files, contact files, documents, spreadsheets, web pages, plain text, or even the clipboard, Email Extractor makes the job simple. Instead of searching manually, you can collect valid addresses in minutes and generate a clean output file containing only well-formatted email addresses, with no duplicates. This makes Email Extractor especially useful for recovering customer addresses, rebuilding contact lists, and quickly processing large volumes of mixed text data. But how does it actually work, and what makes it stand out in everyday use? Jesse, there are many email extraction software programs out there, so how do you know if Email Extractor is the right one for you?
John, what makes Email Extractor so practical is that it is both powerful and extremely easy to use. You can simply drag and drop files, folders, URLs, or plain text directly into the application. You can also paste text from the clipboard. From there, Email Extractor scans the content, retrieves valid email addresses, and creates a clean results file ready for review or export. It supports a wide range of formats, including text files, PDF documents, Word files, Excel sheets, HTML pages, RTF files, EML and box mailboxes, and even zip archives containing those file types. That means you can work with many different sources without having to convert or prepare them first. Another major advantage is speed. Email Extractor is multi-threaded and can process hundreds of email addresses per second from several sources at once. It can also handle entire directories via a file queue, making it very efficient when working with large collections of files. And it does more than just collect addresses. The software filters the results and generates an output containing only good, well-formatted email addresses, without duplicates. It can even handle badly formatted files, including those with several emails on the same line. This saves a lot of time and removes much of the manual cleanup that typically follows extraction. Email Extractor also gives users a lot of flexibility in the way results are handled. It supports different delimiter types and output options, including vCard and Microsoft Excel, making it easier to reuse extracted addresses in other applications. The software is also built to handle real-world files, including badly formatted content and different text encodings. And for users who want more control, customizable extraction settings and a rule editor let them fine-tune the extraction process for different needs. So in daily use, Email Extractor is a simple but highly productive tool. It can help recover customer addresses from mailbox files, extract email addresses from documents and spreadsheets, capture addresses from single web pages by dropping URLs, or pull addresses from copied text in seconds. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly, with full drag-and-drop support, making it easy to get started even for first-time users. If you need a fast way to recover, collect, clean, and organize email addresses from many kinds of sources, Email Extractor is a dependable solution that saves time and keeps the process efficient.
Thanks, Jesse, for that excellent overview. So, to summarize, Email Extractor is a fast, multi-threaded desktop application for macOS and Windows that extracts valid email addresses from a wide variety of sources, including mailbox files, documents, spreadsheets, single web pages, plain text, and the clipboard. It is easy to use, supports drag and drop, removes duplicates, handles formatting issues, and produces clean results ready for export and further use. That's amazing! Okay, it's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And feel free to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. You can visit us at maxprog.com to learn more, and contact us at chat.maxprog.com if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Have a great day.